A local city is thanking first responders for something that they did 5 years ago.
WMBD's Breanna Lea has details on how they plan to do just that.
Washington has rebuilt the neighborhood that was completely destroyed by a tornado 5 years ago, and the city has some special friends to thank the first responders who helped them. The Budweiser Clydesdales will be in town Sunday to be at the front of the parade procession. First responding agencies from surrounding towns like Peoria, Morton, and Pekin will be in the parade to signify what they did for the community on November 17, 2013.
The tornado was a terrible time in Washington's history, and a lot that some of us don't like to focus on that specific day. What we can focus on is how our community came together, how we've rebuilt, and how we've shown the rest of the world how strong Washington can be.
The parade starts at 2 o'clock following the traditional homecoming route, ending at the fire station. I'm Breanna Lea. Back to you.